Hello all and welcome to the session on how to install PyCharm on our system. So to install PyCharm, just go to a browser and just type in JetBrains. So this is where you'll get PyCharm. So this is the official website of the JetBrains, and below that you can see PyCharm. So just click on PyCharm, and now we are into the official website of PyCharm. So this is where you can download PyCharm, and you can even check its documentations like if you want. So let me just click on download, and now it's gonna get us redirected to this choosing the contents like the OS. So you can choose it for macOS, for Linux, and it's available even for Windows. So in this I'm just going to prefer for the community edition. So the community edition is free and open source, whereas the professional one just gets us a free trial. So in this case I'm just going to prefer the community edition. So let me just click this download. So you can even type in your mail address in order to receive the notifications from PyCharm. I'm just gonna cancel this since I've already downloaded. So once you have downloaded, this is the first step the PyCharm is gonna guide you through. So just click on next, and it's gonna ask you for the destination folder of where the application should be saved for the access of the user. So I'm just gonna give it as the default location as suggested by the PyCharm. So I'm just gonna give next, and over here we have few preferences that we have to make. So I'm just gonna click on check for this. So we have to associate with the Python, since we're gonna have a continuous series on Python. And also for the context menu, I'm gonna add this open folder as project. So once you just click on this open folder as project, it's gonna choose the whole folder and it's gonna bring us the project. So in the beginning you won't be needing this, whereas once you head to the web frameworks like Flask, Django, you'll be needing this. So it's better that you just click on this, and if you want to create a desktop shortcut you can just check this, or you can even uncheck this. And if you want you can just update the path variable or not. So I'm just gonna check all of these. So it depends on your choice, you can check them or uncheck them. So just don't forget to check this alone. So I'm just gonna click next, and it's gonna ask us the start menu folder. So in this case I'm just gonna leave it as default, which is JetBrains. You can even change it to PyCharm or something like that. So I'm just gonna click on install. So it's gonna take some time to get it done. So this is it. Since I've checked the add bin option, it's just asking me to reboot. So maybe I'll just reboot it later, so that that option is gonna come into the PyCharm. So this is how you'll install PyCharm. So once you just click this finish, so that's it. So once you are done with all those things, you'll have the PyCharm on your desktop, and let's go ahead and check this. So in my series of Python I would have used the 2020 version. So just click on I confirm and just click continue, and this is a new version where you'll find the 2021.2 version. So this is how the PyCharm is actually installed. So I already have some files over here. So that's it. So you'll also find some new features over here. So it's all upon your choice. If you do not have any previous files on Python, it's gonna view like this for you guys. like I've just opened PyCharm. So these are all the previous files that I've done in Python, and the customize menu is that you will find the color theme, the accessibility, and the key map, and you'll have the plugins, and these are the documentations of PyCharm. So you won't find any projects over here. Instead, you'll get this as the window, which is new project, where you'll have to determine the location of where your project should get saved. And also you have to select an environment, which is a virtual environment, or you can even select anything, the Conda or PIP environment. So it's better you choose the virtual environment. I don't think so that you will be having the Conda or PIP environment. And also you can mention the location and the base interpreter. So the base interpreter that I've chosen over here is the 3.7 version, but you can even select whatever interpreter that you have. We also have the Python 3.9 version, so you can choose the interpreter. And once you just selected all these options, just click on this create. So it's gonna take some time, and we have our new Python project. So this is how you'll install the Python project, and this is how you'll create a new project. So this is how you'll install PyCharm on your system. Thank you.